So
Russia is afraid of the lines-based slide.
What's the worst case scenario if we both go back to back?
Worst case scenario is you're gonna have to make a pass on my left or my right side, which you will call out. On your left, on your right.
I'm coming up on your right!
No, super chill.
Good to go?
Mm-hmm.
We're here at the lines-based slide, looking at what we think is an optimal flow.
This is sketch. I don't like this at all. How much more? It is next level hot. Oh, this is harder than I thought it was gonna be.
That's rarely the case, isn't it?
Rarely the case. Rarely the case. What about right there, dude? Ooh. Like that, like all that fence.
I think, like...
I'll let you get a little ahead.
No, I think we should just go in at the exact same time, pretty much. And then we'll just work it out. It'll be sick.
No, dude, I don't want to do that. No, seriously. I don't want to do that, dude. That sounds sketchy, dude. Whoa, seriously. Well, I'm going to go a little bit behind you.
Come now, dude.
Okay. Woo! My hands, son. Whoa, that was so rowdy. Oh, dude, I told you I was gonna go faster than you, dude.
Whatever, dude, I passed you at the bottom. I couldn't believe I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna pass him.